Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the system. Create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter to jump straight into device control. In Device Manager, expand Bluetooth and network adapters to locate the specific devices you will update. Make sure you note exact device names and vendor ID if visible, because that helps later when selecting drivers. Now that the devices are identified, you're ready to fetch or install updated drivers. Next, right-click the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver. Opt for Search automatically first, so Windows will try Microsoft's repository. If that doesn't find the newest driver, select Browse My Computer, then let me pick from a list to install a compatible or legacy version. For the most reliable results, download the OEM driver package from the laptop or chipmaker site and run their installer. Make sure the driver matches Windows 11 and your system architecture. After installation, reboot the PC to load the new driver and then test Wi-Fi speeds and Bluetooth pairing to confirm functionality. If the device behaves worse, open Device Manager, right-click the adapter and select Properties Right Arrow Driver, Right Arrow Rollback Driver to revert quickly. For stubborn problems, run Windows Network or Bluetooth troubleshooters and check Event Viewer for driver errors. If those steps fail, uninstall the device driver and reinstall the OEM package, and only then consider contacting vendor support with logs and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.